CO2. Fucking tightened it right up. Boom. Slapped it in. Loaded the fucking thing. Right. Yo, welcome to Channel Griff. Now today I'm going to be showing you the Sig, known as the Sig Sauer P365. So right, what have we got here? 12 rounds, 12 grams CO2 drop mag, full blowback, green front dot sight, not too bad. Operating, you know what you're going to use, CO2. Size of the canister 12 grams, caliber is 4.5mm, so that's 177 if you want to use rifle terms. 12 rounds, barrel length is 3.25 inches, semi-automatic, weight bar 0.8 of a lab, and it shoots up to 295 feet per second. So this is what we have. I've already opened it, you know, so obviously when I purchased it I'd rather shoot it myself before I'm gonna do this shit. So we've got this, it is loaded. I'm gonna take that out. So right, now we have the P365 fully blowback, and you can lock it back, shoot, bam, take safety off. Ambidextrous safety, so you've got safety on the left, safety on the right. So if you're this side, safety up, down, safety up, down. The only problem is if you're a left hand, you can't drop the mag. You'll have to use your finger to drop the mag. If you're right-handed, you can just magazine drop with your thumb. So right, it's got the green on the side, and then 2 white dots for the rear. So you got your CO2 that goes in at the bottom. So you unscrew the bottom, you get this Allen key. So obviously you get this out, get to the bottom like so, just unscrew, pop one in, screw it back up. This is fully loaded. This canister is actually nearly empty, so it's not going to be that powerful, but as you can see, you know, that's because there's not enough CO2 in the canister to be carrying the BBs out. So don't think you're going to get this and then that's just going to happen where the BBs fall out the front, because that does not happen. As you can see, it's nearly dead. Look, if it had full CO2, it'd be shooting again. But watch, maybe with a cocky, yeah. So that's how you know the CO2 is nearly dead. And also listen to the sound when I take this out. Gas gone, just like that. So what you're going to get with this piece is you're going to get this. I've already used some, but this will be full BB, so you get that with it. Then if we can get it out, like instruction manual, whatever you want to use it for. I don't even use them. Let's see what it's got. Safety, always wear eye protection. So it tells you safety, your safety cards, your magazine, Let's have a little. So it's pretty much about your magazine and your safety catch, but in different languages. So that's a bit one of them. But it's a nice little piece. It's literally tiny. I don't mind dropping it. It only costs about 145 quid, so it's alright. But look, my hand's longer than it. But it feels really nice. It's good to show. So right, the camera fell over there. I had to readjust and fix. So we have this. We might as well take this out. Also, going to be posting more videos of all different kinds of replica pistols. Like this is a replica of, I think it's the 2017 model, but went into production in 2018, which is the Sig Sauer P365. So this is an exact replica of the real thing. The only problem I've got with this is a bit fiddly at first, so you're gonna get used to it. Plus, another downside to this, when you're putting the CO2 inside, right, the canister, do not over tighten the bottom, right? I over tighten the bottom and they're coming in, so imagine I've just loaded it, yeah, boom, CO2, fucking tightened it right up, boom, slapped it in, loaded the fucking thing, right? Whole fucking gas just went straight off the top of the barrel here at the back into my face. I was like, but it all went all over me and it wasn't good. And the whole CO2 canister went in one fucking shot. So it was like, you know, don't over tighten that shit, otherwise you'll end up with the lifespan of about a week with a gun like that. So I'll show you up close the nice little ins and outs. So you got your magazine, there's your mag, there's your pistol, cock it back, no, it's got no mag in, so if I cock that back, it'll stay forward, take the mag out, boom, look back, go forward, because it's not registering that, it's got no bullets left. It's also field strippable, so if I cock that back, release the working parts forward, there's a little lever here, right, you pull that down and you'll see a screw. Don't touch the screw, just keep pushing it all the way fully forward, go to the front here, see how it's raised backwards, push that in a little bit to assist it, take the safety off. There we go, field strippable, so you can strip that down, clean it, do whatever you want. Now this, if this comes out like so, put it back in. This one's skinny, that'll have to do. You want to gently push it back into place. Let's get the spring back on. Right, that's worked. So when you field stripped it, took it apart, don't pull the trigger, because then you'll have the hammer that comes up, and then you won't be able to get this back on, so it'll come off. You'll put it back on and it'll do something like this. In fact, I'll show you so you know. So right, field strip. Now I've shot the weapon, right, take that out. The hammer is right here at the back, so what you're going to need to do is push it. Here we go, fully working, boom. P365. Hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Now, like, share and subscribe, yeah?